So I can see my scene is safe for me to approach. I'm provided privacy and dignity to the patient and do my hand washing as per WHO guidelines, palm to palm, back of the hand, interlace, interlock, back. Interlace, interlock, thumbs, fingertips, and then wrist. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Sherry, and I will be your nurse for today. May I know, please, your name, date of birth, and any allergies and reaction, please.
Okay, name, date of birth, 69, 1978.
Mm-hmm. Any
Allergy,
allergies?
penicillin.
What's the reaction?
Anaphylaxis.
Anaphylaxis. Can I check your wristband, please? Oops, sorry.
Mm.
Can you check your wristband? Yep, thank you. That will be Daisy Green, 699078000431, allergic with penicillin, and reaction to anaphylaxis. So, Daisy, I'm going to administer your 12 o'clock medication. Will that be all right?
That's okay.
Can you please tell me if you're in pain?
No, I'm not.
You're
I'm not
not.
in pain.
No, okay.
I'm okay.
Can you please tell me if you've eaten already?
Yes, I
Okay.
ate about 10 minutes ago.
Okay, that's good.
Mm.
Thank you so much. So I'm just going to prepare the medication. So press the call bell if you need me. Okay?
Mm. Hey,
Okie dokie. So the medication, I have got the prescription for Daisy Green, 699078, hospital number 004321, Ward 2. Date of admission is today. Height 5 feet, weight 49 kilograms, body surface none, consultant doctor, right time of admission 6 a.m. I got all the doctor's details. Dr. P. Wright, which is the name, the GMC number 3214213, signed by Dr. P. Wright, bleep number 642. I will affix my details here. My name, initials, signature, and then my base ward, which is Ward 2. Patient is allergic to penicillin, which has been recorded, and the reaction is anaphylaxis, signed by Dr. P. Wright, bleep number 642. Moving on to the next page, we got all the patient's details. Under stat dose, the patient doesn't have any due meds. Patient's been given paracetamol, salbutamol, prednisolone yesterday. For the stat dose. Moving on to the next page, you got all the patient's details. Patient has prescribed medication, oxygen. The patient is not a CO2 retainer. Examiner, may I know the recent saturation of the patient? Okay, assuming that's 99%. Thank you so much. Next, I got all the patient's details. Antibiotics or antimicrobials, clarithromycin, today 500 milligrams route, per oral, BD, 7 days. Started today, finishes 7 days, culture sent. Signed by Dr. Pires, 642, and then Dr. Pires' name is here, checked by Dan Simpson. So this is due my time, so I'm going to give this medication. No other antimicrobials. Got all the patient's details. Regular medicine. Get Ramipril, which is today, 2.5 milligrams BDPO. Start date today. Signed by Dr. Pira 642. And the doctor's name is here. Checked by Dan Simpson. Examiner, may I know the recent blood pressure and pulse rate of the patient? Okay, the blood pressure is okay and the pulse rate is okay. There we go. I'm going to give this medication. Moving on to the next page, I've got atorvastatin. This is not due my time, but this is a complete prescription. Clopidogrel today, 75 milligrams or once a day, PO. Today, Dr. P. Wright's signature, 642. And then Dr. P. Wright's details are here. Pharmacy check, Dan Simpson. And then this is due my time. Moving on to the next page, you got all the patient's details. You got paracetamol here. This is an incorrect prescription. This is the patient should be taking 500 milligrams instead of 1 gram. I will verbally escalate this, or I will escalate this to the doctor. Salbutamol inhaler. This is a complete prescription, but patient doesn't look. She's breathless, so I will not give this medication. Moving on to the next page, got all the patient's details. No infusion needed. So I'm going to dispense my medication. Now, the first medication I'm going to dispense is clarithromycin, 500 milligrams. The stock dose is 500, so I will only have one tablet. Expiry date is 2 or February 2028. Next, Ramipril. The stock dose is 2.5 milligrams. I will get one tablet as well. Expiry date is 7/2026. Next, clopidogrel, I've got 75 milligrams, the stock dose as well. So I will only dispense one tablet. Okay. And then expiry date is September 2025. Then I'll do a quick hand rub. I'll go back to my patient. But before that, I need to adhere to the 6 steps of drug administration. That'll be right patient, time, route, drug, dose documentation. Hi Daisy, I'm back. I've got all your medications here. Can you please tell me again your name, date of birth, allergies, and reactions, please? Okay, so I've got Daisy Green, 169078. The penicillin, allergies, penicillin, anaphylaxis. Can I check your wristband? Thank you. The Big Daisy Green,
Teacher.
699078, hospital number 000432
Teacher.
allergic to penicillin, and then the effect is anaphylaxis. So the first medication I'm going to give to you is the clarithromycin. It's an antimicrobial medication. This is to help you with your chest infection. The side effect of this one is you may get stomach upset. So can you take this one? All right,
Yes.
taken. So I'm going
Yes,
to
okay.
put my signature now. Next medication is Ramipril. Ramipril is an antihypertensive medication. This is to lower down your blood pressure. Side effect, you may feel a bit of dizziness, but you may or may not get it. You want to take this one?
I'll
Okay,
take it.
taken. There we go. Well done. Lastly, you've got clopidogrel. So clopidogrel is a blood thinner. It's to prevent any clots. The side effect of this one is that you may easily get bruised when if you hit any furniture or hit something hard. So, you want to take this? Okay, taken. There we go.
Mm.
So, Daisy, I've administered all the medications already to you. If you need anything, just press the call bell. I will monitor you for 30 minutes just to check if you have any reactions with the medication. But aside from that, do you have anything else for me to do or do you have any concerns before I leave? None? Okie dokie. So I will do my final hand washing now. And thank you so much. So that'll be palm to palm, back of the hand, interlace, interlock, thumb, fingertips, and then wrist. That's it.